In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer Google Play balance to Fampay and whether or not it is possible to do this. In order to solve this question, all we have to do is open up the Play Store on our Android devices and click on our icons at the top right corner of the screen. When we access this menu, we can go into the Help and Feedback section in order to browse through the help resources that Google Play has to offer. In here, what we might try to do is look for transfer balance, and as you can see, the only options that it gives us is to add to and check Google Play balance, transfer Play balance from your child's account, refunds, add cash, and get started with Google Play. Of course, none of these directly help us on transferring the Google Play balance that we have to Fampay or any other digital wallet or website. Even if we look for a Fampay directly, you will notice that nothing pops up. This is because, sadly, as of today, Google Play Balance does not offer the option to transfer any funds that you have into other services, and you must spend your balance within the Google Play services. There is no workaround to this, and while you might be able to get a refund in some cases, most of the time, your balance will be stuck in your Google Play account and you must spend it inside of the Play Store. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it is impossible to transfer Google Play balance to Fampay. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.